Hey there, you deserve to make more money than you are making right now. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks on how to make more money with less effort. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. 1. Time management. One of the most important aspects of increasing your income is managing your time effectively. If you can increase your productivity by 10%, you can easily increase your income by 10% too. 2. Prioritize your tasks. Make a to-do list and prioritize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. Focus on completing the tasks that bring you the highest return on investment first. 3. Outsource your qualified work. Outsource tasks that you don't possess the expertise or time to do it yourself. Hire freelancers, contract out specific projects, or consider using a service like Upwork to find remote jobs. 4. Learn a new skill. Invest in yourself by learning a new skill that you can monetize. This could be anything from digital marketing, graphic design, or coding. Then, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to earn some extra income. 5. Take effective public displays. Make sure you consistently exhibit your value to your target audience. This could be in the form of social media posts, webinars, podcasts, or written content. By showcasing your expertise, you'll attract more clients and increase your income. 6. Leverage social media. Leverage the power of social media to promote your services and attract new clients. Create engaging posts and share them across multiple platforms to increase your visibility. 7. Networking. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and lead to more clients. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with like-minded individuals to expand your professional network. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your income without putting in more effort. Remember, success takes work, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals faster than you think.